Okay, I got the new part in. It's a little bit shorter than the old one. I don't know if you can see. So I'm just going to use 2 of these. But you can see the wear on these. You see how the hole is reamed out? That was the problem with the steering. Now, I got the old gear here and the new one. And it doesn't seem to be a whole lot of difference with them. But I'll still put the new gear on. It's possibly, maybe the prongs have worn a little bit. But anyway. Clean everything up in here real good behind this plate before you put that washer down in there. And I put a lot of silicone grease on here. Okay, I put 2 of those washers in, and it's sitting better now in the right place. Okay, that was 18 millimeter, and it's turning a little bit better.